Hi, my name is Skylar Wyatt, and today I picked calcium as my project, number 55. The atomic number is number 55, so I picked that one. AP Man method on calcium. So to do the AP Man method, you have to first find the atomic number of the element, protons and electrons. Then you get the atomic mass subtracted by the atomic number to get your neurons. So my work is over here on the side. First, I got my electrons and my protons, which gave me my atomic number. Then I rounded up the atomic mass to 133 because it was closest to that. Subtracted it by the atomic number, which gave me 78 neutrons. So that's how I got my work. So number of electron shells plus valence plus metal and non-metalloids. So how I got my electronic shell, first how many shells there were 6 shells, and how I got that was by looking at the Bohr model and seeing the number. I counted down the electronic shells, which gave me 6. So on the first outer shell, it has 1 electron. On the second, it has 8. On the third, 18. Fourth, 18. Fifth, 8. And last but not least, 6, which is 2. And in total, it has 6 electron shells with 55 electrons. And my valence electrons, calcium has 1 valence electron, such as in group 1. So, of course, I went to the periodic table before I did this, and I saw that calcium was on the group 1 and the periodic table, so that's how I got that. And it's a metal because it's chemically reactive to things. It's soft and silvery gold. So in comparison to, like, let's say dust, that's not going to be chemically reactive. It's not going to do anything. However, calcium is not any type of dust. And that is calcium above, and my link is down there to where I got the photo plus my research. And 1A, physical property of calcium. So a physical property, calcium, as you can see from the image I provided in the last slide, is a very unique metal. It has a goldish hue in the middle, and the rest is bright and clear. As I visually observed the element more, I saw that it could be liquid or a solid metal at the same time as in this picture. And the picture link is right there. On this one, I viewed it like looking at it observatorily, like I looked at it just like looking at it like visually, like actually like looking at the element and seeing like all of its properties, like what you can see with your eye. And so next slide, 1B, chemical property calcium. So calcium is a very reactive chemical, and it has the same properties as rubidium and potassium physically and chemically. I looked more into research about the two elements and saw that rubidium had almost a close burning point as calcium at 39 Celsius. I also saw that it was a soft serum level, just like the same as calcium. And that's another picture of calcium. My research is down there again. And 1C, chemical property. Calcium also has similar properties to potassium, as I did more research on it, and I was correct. As potassium is a silvery soft metal, which means it can float on water the same as calcium. It also has a low melting point as calcium. That's another picture of calcium in my research. I linked down below. The project was really fun. I enjoyed doing a lot of research on the periodic table and like all them elements and stuff. And that was my project. Thank you for watching.